to the 15th edition of IFSEC India show. Let me first introduce the dignitaries who are joining me for this media briefing. We have Ms. Ram, your first name, Kiran Ram, she represents Global. She is the head of Global, one of the leading companies in the security space. We have Ashish Ratanji, who is heads Prama as well as Equation in India, and my colleague Pankaj Jain, who is the director and head of digital for Prama. Just to give you a brief of IFSEC India, this is a show which started small form like 15 years back. Now it's a milestone of 15 years. Happy to say this year we are back to a full scale of event that we have done in 2019, leaving aside some of the international partners because that China couldn't come in. But having said that, we have about 180 plus brands on the floor from 10 countries, and we also have we are expecting about 10,000 plus visitors coming over this 3 days. So this show itself has become a must-attend show for the commercial security space in South Asia, one of the largest shows in this space. As an inform markets, this show in fact has an image to IFSEC Global, which show happens in UK. This show is 50 years old, so we brought this as a geoclone of that event and launched this in India. For me, I think this over this next 2 days we have lots of things happening at this show. Of course, you see that lots of new technologies which have evolved in this space. We have experts from the industry who will definitely talk about that. But we also have a 2 day conference where some of the leading speakers, in fact, having 50 plus eminent speakers from this industry coming and talking at the conference. The theme of this conference is threats to new security. We also have IFSEC Awards, which is going to happen tonight, where some of the leading CSOs in our industry, the chief security officers who have done fabulous work in this space, and some companies who have done really fabulous work in this space. Last 1 year, are going to be recognized. So overall, in this 3 days, you'll see everybody from the security domain. We have the Commissioner of Police of Delhi. We are the senior advisor to Uttarakhand government who are coming to inaugurate our show as a guest of honor. So a lot's going to happen over these 3 days. I leave details to my colleague Pankaj can talk more in details, but we'll pass on the mic so each one of our speakers can say something they want to talk about this industry, this show, and about what they're and what they're going to table. And then we'll open this floor for questions from you.
Hi, very good morning. It's a privilege today to be, participating in IFSEC as a Premium Plus partner. We feel honored and grateful because it's been a long time we've been associated with the brand, and we've seen the success together. And I wish you more successes in the future. And the team is doing a great job. As far as I'm concerned, I'm Kiran Dhan, CEO of Globus Infocom Limited. Globus is a trusted brand for the past 21 years. We started with the EdTech domain, and for security solutions, we launched our own brand of solutions 4 years back. For us, it has been a learning journey because we strongly believe that each day you have to learn to grow. That is the ethos we are working with. And we have come up with the latest security solutions in our own brand, an Indian brand, a promising brand, a trusted brand, serving 30,000 odd customers pan India, and now going strong in the security domain. So our strength is providing the most cost effective solutions, and it starts from the affordable range and it goes to the premium range. So that is our strength, and we have the whole range available with us. We have our own softwares, the video and analytics softwares, and we have the whole range of panoramic surveillance, weatherproof cameras, AI based surveillance. So everything is there in our product basket. Please do visit us, and it's an honor to be here. I wish you all very, very best. Thank you.
Thank you, Kiranji. It's a privilege to be part of IFSEC always. Okay, and we are being partnered from the date of inception of IFSEC from day one, and this is a continuously 15th edition of IFSEC. I think we missed in between one or two sessions, but otherwise, almost all of the 15 sessions, though we were present, but in 2012, 13, 2 years we were kept. But IFSEC is a platform of the industry, which is it is a mirroring a mirror of the industry, how industry is growing, or what is the stage of industry right now. I think it is a reflection of the industries, and you can just see that all products and the new technologies here in IPSEC. So just do visit, and I wish good luck to Informa Markets for the growth of the this IPSEC and in the coming years as well. About Prama equation. I'm, Ashish P. Lakan heads Prama Equation India Private Limited, and today in IPSEC it was a opportunity for us to introduce our few latest technologies and new innovations. We have today launched completely indigenous Make in India one product DVR, which is DVR with embedded SSD drive. Earlier, we used to see all the storage or CCTV product with hard disk, and hard disks were also having some limitations. Hard disk used to fail, and because hard disk fails, lots of storage we used to miss, or very critical storage we used to miss. So now, the DVR will come with the edge, means inside the product itself on disk on chip. There will be SSD drive inside, which is a very stable, sturdy, and we all know that how in laptops like Apple, etc., if it is SSD enabled, then it will gives very high performance. Similarly, DVR also with such a high performance will come, lots of read write capacity will come, and lots of power chipset will give the edge level analytics in the product itself. So we will have a lots of future lots of AI based edge level product means different features we can edit in a product. And in future, this AI enabled technology will come in cameras. I take few more time. We also have launched one X-ray baggage scanner. X-ray baggage scanner we normally see everywhere, and it is a year old, decade old product lines. But what is new when we Equation enter in X-ray product scanners. Equation is known for imaging, and we are master in analytics of video image and video technology. So when we have entered in X-ray, we will not come with me to Meravi, similar like others. We have come with lots of innovation in the product line. So when X-ray baggage when it pass through X-ray, we see that there is a CISF or security guard who just analyze the video images of different color images, and they should be expert what sort of the product inside, and if it is knife or bottle, they should read that, and then they just catch the bag. But now if there is a help to them. This X-ray package scanner, we have artificial intelligence enabled. So once the baggage pass through X-ray, it will tell immediately that what sort of product are there inside. It will list out all the products line. It is having like knife or bottles, etc., and it will help security guard. And in future, it will be no man area. You can just put X-ray baggage. If it is anything is there, it will guide you to remove that, and you cannot allow till the time gate access, other access will not open. So such a no man X-ray baggage screening also we are seeing in future. So this is an opportunity for us to launch these two product line at Equation. I also had Prama India Private Limited, which is a completely state of the art, made in India, Bharat mein bana, Bharat ka apna surveillance brand. We are very rapidly growing in made in India right now, and we have lots of product line already in place with spread all across India, and we are getting a tremendous support from all of my customers and partners, and we hope that we will grow more and more. India में बना भारत में बना भारत का अपना प्रोडक्ट और अपना सर्वेलेंस प्रोडक्ट लाइंस will grow. And for Prama India, we have a local R&D centers and local development centers, design centers here, and we are trying maximum so that to make everything here in India, and with the vision of our Prime Minister to become Atmanirbhar as possible. Thank you very much. Sorry, I took a little bit more time, but there were a lot to talk from me, so I just have spoken on that. Thank you.
Thank you, Ashishji. Thank you, Kiran. And thank you, Yogesh. So, I have been associated with this event for the last 15 years. Okay. And today, here at the show, you have close to 180 plus brands, from 15 different countries who are showcasing different technologies. What are the different technologies that you see on the floor are? You'll have things like video surveillance, you have access control, you have biometrics, transport security, which we call as GPS tracking. There is a lot of IoT stuff also there, drones and UAVs. I'm just sharing it in case you have any specific questions, with these technology, uh, automated security, intrusion alarm. So basically anything and everything that goes in the commercial security space, you will see everything being showcased here.